Sometimes you get an image that pretty much matches your vision. However, there is something wrong with it. This is the time for you to perhaps, instead of trying to create the image from the very beginning, try to start from what you already have and go into image to image. So, what I could do with an image like this one, for example, is tell the AI, I want you to preserve this image, but change this area I did not like. And the way I'm going to do this is either on the internet, either I could go, for example, on Google or DuckDuckGo or whatever your favorite search is, and just go and search for InPaint or InPainting or InPainting AI, and you'll probably find some kind of online tool. And this is, so to speak, the simple version. And you can also use a more elaborate tool that will give you a lot more flexibility, but will also require more skill, such as downloading Stable Diffusion on your machine, for example. And then you input your image, this image you have already generated, and you will select specifically the region you want it to modify. So what this tool will do, depending on the tool you are using, is to change the image using AI, but just the part you have selected. So you're going to select the part you want to change, and then you are going to run the AI again, and you generate many different new altered images, and you can pick your favorite one. And if there's still something off, you can get this new image, select the part you don't like, and run it again and again. And that's part of the reason why I say it's much more iterative than scientific. When I create my images, I'm more often thinking about how I can perfect the image until I try to converge it to my original vision, rather than trying to create the perfect prompt that will lead me there.